Alright folks, how we doing? Today I'm on another adventure and I'm up at Glenroy and I'm going to be doing the Luib Chonnal Bothy, and I'm doing it today with the Stripey Hat Guy. There he is, giving you a wee wave. So this is up past Port William, just up at near Speen Bridge, so I'm looking forward to it. So I'll catch you guys on the trail. So folks, it's about a 7k walk to the Bothy from the car park, so it's a nice wee walk for us, so looking forward to that. So as you can see, beautiful up this glen, can't beat it. As you can see, the hills are all sort of layered here. It's like weird layers on them. So I don't know if anybody can explain that to me, because I'm not too sure, but if anybody's got any ideas what that is, can you put it in the comments? Cheers! Wunderbar, wunderbar! You come off the bridge here, you keep right along this path here, right down the glen. This is magic, honestly. Absolutely love this. As I always say. Hey, look at that. Wow. So beautiful, man. So beautiful. So when we come to this bridge, you straight on, we don't go across the bridge to the other side at all. Keep to the left, onto the map. Straight on. Don't know if you can see that deer over there, but it's made of metal, so I think it must be for shooting practice. That's my guess. I don't know. If you have any ideas, put it in the comments, please. Well, last week it was the ticks that were in on me. There is a massive clegg infestation here, driving me mental. Honestly, hate them. Wee buggers, so they are, but okay, won't be long to the Bothy and get away from them. Still enjoying it though. You can see up there, it starts to go up the Bothy track over there. Don't know if you can see with the GoPro, you should be able to see, but it's going up there, so that's the way we're going. Going up a few metres there, not many. The rain's starting to fall us now. The wee house up there. As you can see there, there's the road going up a bit there, so it's starting to get a bit of height. Then it comes back down to the Bothy. So that bridge earlier on we're crossing takes you to that wee house. How cute's that? Absolute cracking. The long and winding road to the Bothy. This is where we're going up a bit here, see it? Takes us up a wee bit higher. Cool. Cracking feature that waterfall, eh? Very nice. That pool looks inviting, eh? Beautiful up here. Bit of steepy on that. Steepest part so far. Brilliant though. Oh, this is the life. Hey. We're going right over to there, follow the path up here, and then going up that way, it goes away over that shade side. I think this is up at the highest point now. It's a wee bit windy up here, so it's keeping the clegs away. No midges obviously this time, but the clegs, oh, wild, but the wind's keeping them away, cheers. So, not long to go. So our Bothy is right over in that tree here over there. That's where we're going. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those mountains. Such a beautiful glen this, isn't it? Why does it always rain on me? Is it because I lied when I was 55? That's the old waterproofs back on again, folks. The rain comes down. Really nice track this, I really like it. Good walk, very enjoyable. The rain. Oh. I can see the Bothy from here, mate. Right over there, thank goodness we're nearly there. Superb. Oh, that's brilliant. Nearly there. It's in our sights. Yes, we're nearly at the Bothy. Brilliant. I'm loving it. I think there'll be folk in it, but it doesn't matter. If there's too many, I'll camp outside. It's fine. No problem. But we're nearly at the Bothy. Yes. On and off here for the Bothy. See we track here. Down there, oh, down there, see the Bothy. This is just arriving at the Bothy. I think there's folk in it, so we'll just wait and see. So looking about it, see what's happening. Alright, there he is. There's the man. That's quite a nice bossy.
We can have a look upstairs if you want, where the guys are sitting. Maybe we just lay in there on the ground where the stove is.
Yeah,
the fireplace is.
We're going to have a wee look. Alright, going up the stairs and see.
Spaces in the smallest house.
Aye, just see what's happening. Up the stair, see if it's busy or not. There's quite a few people in here. There's a sit there, got the whiskey there. How you doing, guys? Alright?
How you doing? You alright?
Busy. Not bad, mate, not bad. Alright. So back there. There's quite a few people in here. So there you go. Down and see here, looks a nice Bothy. But full, unfortunately. Oh well. So the guys have been very kind and they're going to give us one of the rooms down the stairs, which is brilliant. Look at this. Brilliant, isn't it? Look at that waterfall. So Stripey's going to use that one. Brilliant. And I'm going to go on this one. Brilliant wee room. Just show you what I've got today, folks. I've got the wee Vango pillow as usual. I've got my Trichology. I've got my Mountain Hardware sleeping bag with us, but I've got a new sleeping mat, Sea to Summit Extreme. So that's R value 6, which is pretty good, and it's wide, which suits me. I had the Thermarest, which I do like, but kept rolling off it, so I like a wee wide one there. It's good. It's top notch. Love it. So, I'll take you up and have a wee look. The guys are at the net. Cracking Bothy. Look at this, look at the space here. Sleep there. Platforms right across there. One there. Absolutely brilliant. Here there. The kitchen area there. Ah, it's absolutely fantastic. What a Bothy. Few cans there, superb. There's the stove. Then the skylight, look, straight right over to the waterfall. Absolutely brilliant. What a cracking Bothy this is. Very nice. There's another wee sneaky one in there. Fantastic. Magic. Back down there a wee bit. There we go, this is where we are. Amazing. Superb. Night tonight, how good's this? The sun is out. Look at that Bothy. Wow. Jeez, oh, this is so amazing. Honestly, this is a bizzle. Can't beat it, man. Get yourself to a Bothy. Best time ever.
I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me in these last few days. I've been afraid that I might drift away, so I've been telling old stories, singing songs that make me think about where I came from, and that's the reason why I seem so far away today. Let me tell you that I love you, that I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, and now I'm going home. For if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. kept on moving, proved the points that I needed proving, lost the friends that I needed losing, found others on the way. I have kissed the ladies and left them crying, stolen dreams, yes, there's no denying. I have travelled hard, sometimes with conscience flying, somewhere with the wind. Let me tell you that I love you, that I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, and now I'm going home. For if I should become a stranger, you know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Sitting here before the fire, the empty room, the forest choir, the flames that couldn't get any higher, well, they've withered now, they've gone, but I'm steady thinking.
This is boys we met from Glasgow. How you doing, guys? Alright?
Alright, mate.
Good crack, and they're cooking something lovely here. What's that cooking, Stevie boy?
What's that? I'm cibo mangiare italiano.
There's your man. Right guys, how we doing? I'm pretty knackered, man. It was a great night, couple of beers and stuff like that, so time for Medi Boz. I'll catch you guys in the morning. See you later. Folks, that's us packed up and ready to go. What a fantastic time it was in the Bothy. Absolutely brilliant. So time for a wee 6.5k walk, and I'll catch you back at the car. See you later.
Oh, this summer time is coming, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie? Will you go, lassie, go? I will build my love a bower near yon pure crystal
Back at the car now, folks. That was a 7k walk back there, so really enjoyable walk actually. But what a brilliant night in the Bothy, absolutely loved it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you later.